My name is Daniel Lopez. I'm an avid college algebra tutor, and I'm sponsored by the Office of Student Success. Today, I'm going to explain how to find a polynomial function, and we have the problem here, so let's read it. Find a polynomial function of degree 3 with the given numbers as zeros. Our zeros, as we see, we have -4, 4i, and 5. So, first step, we can rewrite this as, let me see, erase that. Okay, x minus 4, actually positive, x minus 4i, this is an I right here, and x minus 5i. Made a mistake. So since we have 4i, they're both similar, so it'll make it easier for us to FOIL these first, which will be x times x is x squared. X times -4i will be -4i x. X times x, x squared. Okay, so positive 4i times x is positive 4ix. 4i times -4i would be -16i squared. Now we can combine like terms, if not cancel. Like we can bring down x squared. -4 plus 4 cancels out, so we're left with -16i squared. Now we can keep simplifying by I squared, remember it's equal to -1. So x minus 16 times -1. And again, keep simplifying, and we'll have x minus 16. So -16 times -1 is positive 16. Again, x squared. So that's our final answer, but we're still not done. We still have to work with this guy that we left over. So we have x minus 5, and now we will FOIL them. So we had x squared plus 16, x minus 5. So x squared times x is x cubed. X squared times -5 is -5x squared. 16 times x is positive 16x. And 16 times -5 is -80. So now we have x cubed minus 5x squared plus 16x minus 80. We can't simplify further, and we can't combine like terms, so this is our final answer for this problem. Moving on to our next problem, which asks us, find the first 5 terms of the sequence with general terms. And we have our equation right here. A sub n is equal to n plus 1 over n plus 2. Now the first thing we want to do is write a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4, and a sub 5. As you see, a sub 1 looks similar to a sub n, so we are going to plug in 1 in the n. So as I have written here, we have 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 2. So as you see, I plugged in 1 for the n, for a sub 1. So let's simplify. So 1 plus 1, again 2. Right here we have 1 plus 2 is 2. 3, I mean. So we have 2/3. We can't simplify 2/3, so this is our final answer. A sub 1 is equal to 2/3. A sub 2, again, I plugged in 2 for the n. So we have 3/4. And this is our answer for a sub 2. Now we have a sub 3. Same thing, we plug in our a sub 3 into the Rn, so we have 4/5. Same thing, which is 5/6 and 6/7. So a sub 1 is equal to 2/3. A sub 2 is equal to 3/4. A sub 3 is equal to 4/5. A sub 4 is equal to 5/6. A sub 5 is equal to 6/7. We have found the first five terms, and we are done. Once again, my name is Daniel Lopez. I'm an avid college algebra tutor, and I'm sponsored by the Office of Student Success.